Hi, I am Iffy with Iffy Anglers TV. Today I'm gonna speak with you about shore fishing and its types. All types of fishing on land, under the bridge, canals, channels, and beaches, etc. All they are called like beach fishing or shore fishing. There are many types of shore fishing, but we discussed today six of most using techniques for the beach fishing. So the first type of shore fishing is hand line. Hand line, what you need is like nylon line, hooks, stone or weight, a wooden stick. Also you can use a bottle, and also there is a plastic roller which is called like the spool, also you can use. And the bait for hand line fishing, you can use like shrimp, chicken, any other food according to the specific place and the fish. Number two, the kind of fishing types of fishing is live bait or dead bait fishing. So in live bait and dead bait fishing, what you need is a rod, a fishing rod, a reel, nylon or braided line, weight, a live bait rig. You need a rod stand to hold the rod. The third types of fishing is bottom fishing. For the bottom fishing, also you need a rod, a reel, a nylon line, and three hooks that like weight or stones, a rod stand you need, and shrimps you have, but mostly shrimps and shells are more better for the bottom fishing. Number four, we having surf casting. So for surf casting, also you need a surf casting rod, a proper surf casting rod, and reel. You need a big size reel like 5,000, 6,000 or 8,000 size reel, and you need a proper stand for the rod to hold the rod. You need a sinker, a weight according to the place where you're playing, and you have to get the nylon line as well. Mostly they are using nylon line on the reel. For the food, you can use multiple things. You can use like sardine, you can use dead bait, or you can use chicken food. The fifth type of shore fishing or beach fishing is pole rod fishing. Pole rod fishing is quite very interesting, and it's same like ISO fishing, mostly like Japanese kind of fishing. In pole fishing, you need a stick. It's only a stick, no guides, nothing on this. So in this stick you have to put a nylon line. Now the nylon line you have to put like same length of the rod. You can use single hook or triple hook, it's depend on you, but very small. And you need a floater, and sinker, and you have to use the bait breadth. The sixth types of fishing on the beach is angling. It's called casting and jigging as well, sport fishing as well, artificial bait fishing as well. So in angling and casting or jigging or artificial fishing, what we are using a rod, a reel, line. The line should be only braided line, which is PE line, polyester line, fluorocarbon, swivel and snaps, artificial baits. Artificial baits mean lure, jigs. So lure. So these all six kind of fishing was shore fishing. In our next topic, we will talk more about angling or artificial fishing.